So let's go. Let's go. I'm not ready. Oh. Ja, ik zal wel af. Cool. Yes. I'm so slow. We're going to the falls. We survived our scooter. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's work. So, naanan is a falls. The falls is very strong. Current. Whoa! Huh. Oh, this falls. It's deep. Oh, yeah? Hey, I'm not filming that. Okay, hold, wait. I want to hold. Hey! Look, I made it! They're getting your feet feel clean now?
So clean?
Yeah. I'm not ready for a big one.
Like a baby foot.
It's like the day you were born.
Yeah, exactly.
That's a big one.
gonna bite hard, no? I don't want you.
Have to be gentle like that.
The big ones too? Alright, I'm ready to put 2 feet now.
I think they're gonna try if it's food or not.
Oh shit. Ow! Somebody! Flesh going up.
And does it tickle?
Yes, it mostly likes my big toe.
I think you have a dirty toe. We have lots of job to do. Kusga na saya. Hi. Oh, delikado kayo. Nice, no? Gan, kaning tour guide doon, ay bayad or kuan? Kanang package deal? Ha? Okay.
Kaman, ma'am.
Sana naka-green ba?
Nana siya bayad, ma'am.
Wala may nag-ingon nga magpa-tour guide, ikuyog mo sa kamua.
Kaya ikaw na lang bahala niya.
Ha?
Tip naman ang siya, ma'am.
Ah. I asked if it's a package for the entrance fee or you need to tip him.
Why? Ask me him again.
Or he comes right away. Yeah.
We don't need him.
Yeah. Hugging me.
This is the last one.
Ah.
Here, swimming.
I'm peeing. Hey, now you're over. Welcome to. Welcome to the bullhead. Do you want to jump, May?
What?
You're not jumping now.
No. Why would everything be paid? We're here, we paid entrance.
Only for swimming.
We can go under that and take a picture.
Huh? I mean, you can jump from there to here.
Yeah, no, it's not deep enough, love.
You can swim here. To bring money here. Oh, you need. I'm going to float myself, and you have to take photo with me. Ah, okay. Oh, nothing more. Yes. I'm not doing it.
Alright, can I give you this while I'm still with it?
Did you have fun? Yes. Did you? Very.
Scooter riding is very fun. I thought we would have done more today though.
But at least we have the smallest falls and the biggest falls.
Did we have the smallest falls?
Yeah.
What's the smallest?
The first one.
Yeah, we only did two.
It's just a leaf. Oh, we didn't.
She is scared of a leaf.
Haha.